So, hello everyone, and now I want to show you something. You can join a meeting here if someone wants you to enter their room for a meeting, for a class. When it's here, you just come and join here. So, we are more interested as trainers with here my account. This is my account. I want you to take into consideration one thing. Regardez, notre licence, c'est basic. Meeting, you can have, vous pouvez avoir jusqu'à 100 participants in the meeting. Mais the meeting peut être que de 40 minutes parce que nous n'avons pas la licence to go beyond the 40 minutes. So, you can have a class of 40 minutes only with Zoom si vous avez la licence de Basic. Unless we upgrade it. Donc, ça c'est it's Basic. Now, if you want to schedule a meeting, you click on Schedule a meeting. Vous allez mettre the description, whatever the description. Allons dire zooming. When I want to have a meeting, allons dire 18 mars. (4:30 p.m.) 1 minute, it won't be. You see, your Zoom basic plan has a 40-minute limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. So we have to upgrade for more time. Donc là, ça va être 0. Maximum we can have is 40. On va dire 45, là. Time zone. We are time zone. Vous allez mettre Paul, oui, c'est. Voici un Paul, oui, là, non. Paul, oui. Sinon, c'est GMT plus 4. GMT plus 4. Plus 4 là. Plus 1. Ok, je vais passer sur Dubaï. GMT plus 4, same time as ours. Meeting ID. If it's a recurring meeting, every week we're going to have a specific day. Si c'est un meeting qu'il y aura dans plusieurs semaines, same day. Donc là, vous avez vu le passcode qui a été généré automatiquement. Only users who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. Donc là, quand je schedule the meeting, je vais envoyer dans un email this code. This code will help them to join the meeting so that they enter the same room as yours. Ou, quand je pas vu ça, vous êtes qu'à dire non, mettez dans waiting room et I'm going to click on those I want in the room. This is also possible. Only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. Bon, est-ce que I want the host to have a video? Bon, moi je mets off, mais if you want it on, you can put it on. Participant. Est-ce que je n'avais pas un participant montrer background que tu la caméra, you see your participant. When you put it on, else you leave it off if you don't want them to see. You don't want to see them. You're more interested to see their voice, to hear their voice, etc. Meeting options allow participants to join anytime. Mute participants upon entry. Comme ils entrent in the class, you mute. Only when they have to speak, when they have to unmute their speaker. Automatically record meeting on the local computer. Approve or block entry for users from specific countries. D'accord? Moi, je vais mettre ça. Save. Now you've saved on that day at that time, particular time, when you can have your meeting. Start this meeting. Donc, le meeting ID, vous avez vu, c'est 3968. Ça, si vous allez envoyer par votre email ou WhatsApp. Okay, donc here it is. Now you're here. You will see all your participants here. If you want the video, you just have to remove this here and you'll see the video. Mute or unmute. Okay. Chat, you can chat with a participant. Share your screen, you can record, etc. So that's it. Thank you.